Welcome to this YouTube channel Learn Quick. I am Sharif here to explain you a problem on projection of straight line. I hope you all remember the 14 datas which we learned in our previous video projection of straight line. Now we will read the given question and identify the given 5 datas out of these 14 datas so that the geometrical procedure becomes very easy. A line PQ of 70 mm long. So they have given the data 1, the true length of the line is inclined at 45 degree to HP. So they have given the true inclination of the line in front view, and its top view makes an angle of 60 degree with reference line. So the top view inclination, they are meaning the apparent inclination of the line in top view, that is data number 11. So and then the NP is 10 mm above HP and 10 mm in front of VP. So the NP is 10 mm above and in front of above HP and in front of VP, that is your data number 2 and data number 3. So they have given data 1, 2, 3, 8 and then 11. With the help of these 5 datas, we are going to construct the projection of straight line, and then what we are going to find. Okay, so they have asked us to draw its projection, complete the projection and find its inclination with VP. So we have to find the inclination with VP. So here we have to find the true inclination of the line PQ in top view, that is the true inclination with VP. If we compare the given datas with the standard format we have for the 14 datas, so what are the datas given? They are given the true length of the line from P dash to Q1 dash, which is same here, and then the distance of point P above HP, that this distance they have given from here to here, and they given the distance of point P from VP, this distance they have given, and they given the true inclination of the line PQ, that is your data number 8. Okay, so this angle, okay, this is your true line, so the inclination of this true line is given, and the apparent inclination of the line in top view, so that is your data number 11. Okay, so from here to here, so this is your apparent line, and inclination of this line is given in a question. So they are asking us to find the data number 9. Okay, so we have to find the true inclination of the line in top view. So let's see how to do this problem. So first draw a horizontal line, your XY line as your reference line. Consider a point and mark the locus of P, that is 10 mm above HP and 10 mm in front of VP. And draw the locus of the line P dash. Similarly, draw the locus of the line P. And here draw the projector of point P and mark as P dash and P. Now they are given the true inclination of the line in front view, that is 45 degree to HP. We will mark the 45 degree here, and then we will draw the true length of the line. Since this is the true inclination, we will draw for the distance of 70 and mark this point as Q1 dash. Now draw the locus of Q dash and write down locus of Q dash, locus of P dash, locus of P. Now we will mark 60 degree in top view, which is the angle of apparent line, apparent inclination top view. Since we don't know the length of this line, so we will extend this line for some distance as of now. So now from Q1 dash we will draw a straight line to locus of P to obtain Q1. So now with the help of compass, measure PQ1 and draw an arc to obtain the apparent length. Now mark this point as Q and make this apparent line with HB pencil. Now draw the locus of Q. Now draw projector of Q. And mark this point as Q dash, and with the help of your HB pencil, draw the apparent line in front view. Now with the help of your compass, measure P dash, Q dash, and then draw an arc to locus of P dash. Now mark this point as Q2 dash, and then draw a straight line from Q2 dash to locus of Q to obtain Q2. Now join P and Q2 to obtain your true length in your top view. Now we dimension all the data. The true length of the line was given. The distance of P from reference line was given. The apparent angle in top view was given. The true inclination in front view was given. Now I use engineering template to draw the arrowheads. So the true length of the line is 70 mm. The distance of point P above HP is 10 mm. In front of VP is 10 mm. And the true inclination of the line is in front view is 45 degree. And the apparent inclination of the line in top view is given as 60 degree. So what we have to find is the true inclination with VP. Okay, so we have to find this angle. Okay, so to do that, I am dimensioning this line, and I draw the arrowheads here also. And when I measure the true inclination in top view, that is your true inclination with VP, so the angle I got is 36 degree. So I hope you like this video lecture. In case if you have liked, press like button, comment, share, and do not forget to subscribe this channel with bell icon. Thank you.